Yo guys, hello. So today I'm going to do some coding. So first let me see my this. Okay, first let me see my this. What it is called? It is called what's it called? VS Code. I'm going to watch this later. But I'm going to
I think traditional ebooks provide a really poor reading experience, and I knew that with the right server.
What ID is this?
that I'm look it. But first I'm going to use VS Code. So let me see my live. And this is what I'm saying is test demo of my what I'm saying. Hello, who are you? I don't want you coding, 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 coding. And Star is coding, and yeah, let me see some voice, but I don't think I'm going to put my voice that much. But who gives a shit? Coding. And Star is coding. So guys, hello. So today I'm going to do some coding. The voice is
So
okay.
first let me see
So
my
let's go. But I'm gonna see some. So I'm going to keep my this voice down. And now I am going to get some water blue stairs, and then I'm going to do some coding. 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 And today our mission is to do, of course, 11 hours of coding, or 10 exact to be sure. So in this live session I'm going to learn responsiveness, and I'm going to learn CSS from Code with Harry. Everyone knows him. And then I'm going to make an Amazon clone, and then if I have a little bit time left, then I'll make Mr. Beast Feastables website clone. So that is all that I'm going to do in this live stream. It's a lot, and let's go. I'm going to mute myself, and I'm going to get some water blisters, and then we're going to start it. Hello guys, so I'm right back. So let's go. I'm right back. Up here now we're gonna do some coding. So first we are going to learn this responsiveness. I have this video. What the hell? So I'm going to just put this again. Now it's in here. Shriyan's coding responsiveness. Yes, this the algorithm already know it. The algorithm already know it. My boys, my pronunciation so bad, so let's go. And I'm
With Framer, the things you design become real. Framer feels like a design tool, but it ships fast, modern websites.
Don't feel like I'm not talking English.
ठीक है, तो जब हम वेबसाइट बनाएंगे तो हम लोग
This is also in Hindi. Yes.
यहाँ पर जो भी कोड ऊपर लिखेंगे, जब भी उसको रिस्पॉन्सिव कर
Is there copyright strike? Bro, what? I don't also give a fuck, bro.
रहा होगा, हम यहाँ पर @media लिख के उसके अंदर चीजें लिख रहे होंगे। इसको एक बार जल्दी से प्रैक्टिस कर दो। और एक और चीज सुनो ध्यान से, हमें जो बेसिक समझने थे वो तो हम सीख चुके हैं, लेकिन CSS को आप कभी भी अपने कोड को या फिर अपनी वेबसाइट को जब भी आप रिस्पॉन्सिव करना चाहते हो, एक चीज माइंड में रखना भाइयों, ये चीज आती है आपके एक्सपीरियंस के साथ। मैंने आपको कॉन्सेप्ट बता दिया और कॉन्सेप्ट काफी ज्यादा सरल है। जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज्यादा आप चीजों में बेटर होते जाओगे। तो ये रूल आपको हमेशा फॉलो करके रखना है। जैसे जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करते आ रहे हो, जितनी ज्यादा वेबसाइट को आप रिस्पॉन्सिव बनाओगे उतना ज्यादा आप इसमें बेटर होते जाओगे। दैट इज द रूल। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर कुछ की पॉइंट्स जो आपको याद रखने हैं, ध्यान रखना।
Again, this is what we're gonna do today. This. So to let's make an Amazon project, learn how to and go live. Yeah, that's because I forgot to go live tomorrow. Learn how to make responsible spanning. I don't know, and there is responsible spanning, so I should quickly edit it. This save. Okay, and then go to the easy. Now, should I include in the project? Okay, let's add Netflix. Project. Okay, now you're going to see me suffer because I have to make it myself. And I can search it online, but I cannot directly search how to make Netflix. I can only search the parts. Like if I don't know responsiveness, I can search responsiveness. And the rule is that I can't search how this. And I can also make Google search, bro. But I don't want to. Netflix. Bro, why is my Spanish so bad? Netflix, bro. Obviously, this. But if it includes like JavaScript, sometimes it includes JavaScript. So then I can't do this. But it's so easy, bro. Easy. But if something includes JavaScript, then I can't do it. Because I think this. No, this includes JavaScript. Yeah. But if something includes JavaScript, I can do it because I haven't learned JavaScript yet, so I can't do it. So let's do it. I think Netflix is easier. So let's go.
CSS फ्लेक्सबॉक्स आपको यूज करना है, उसको आप अपने कोड के अंदर लिखना नहीं भूलोगे। पोजीशन एब्सोल्यूट का कम से कम यूज करना है। CSS यूनिट्स क्या होती है, किस तरीके से यूज करती है, मैं अभी थोड़ी देर बाद एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू और भी बताने वाला हूं, तो उसमें और अच्छे से देख लोगे। रिस्पॉन्सिव टाइपोग्राफी मतलब क्या, मतलब जो हम टाइप करते हैं, चीजें लिखते हैं ना, मतलब जो मैंने वहां पे लिखा, मान लेते हैं मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा, मान लेते हैं H1 और H1 के अंदर लिखा हेलो हाय कैसे हो। तो ये मैंने लिखा हेलो हाय कैसे हो, ये कुछ ऐसा लिखा है। अब मैं यहाँ जाके इसका कोड सारा हटा रहा हूँ, मैंने यहाँ जाके लिखा H1 और मैंने जाके कह दिया इसको फॉन्ट साइज मान लेते हैं 100 पिक्सल। तो क्योंकि मैंने इसको पिक्सल में दिया तो क्या इसको स्क्रीन साइज कम ज्यादा होने पे फर्क पड़ेगा क्या? नहीं पड़ेगा। तो क्या ये रिस्पॉन्सिव टाइपोग्राफी है? टाइपोग्राफी मतलब जो लिखा है आपने, क्या वो है? नहीं है। तो यहाँ जाके आप इसको इस तरीके से देने की जगह आप इसको दे देते हो VW में। तो VW क्योंकि आप स्क्रीन के साइज पे डिपेंड करता है। तो यहाँ जाके जैसे जैसे आप स्क्रीन के साइज को कम करोगे आपके VW की जो फॉन्ट का साइज है वो भी कम होता हुआ दिखाई देगा। तो रिस्पॉन्सिव टाइपोग्राफी फॉलो करनी है हमको। मोबाइल फर्स्ट अप्रोच, मतलब जब भी हमें बनाना है ना वेबसाइट, ऐसे नहीं बनाना है कि बना के हमने फेंक दिया पर उसके बाद सोचेंगे करना है नहीं करना। जब भी हम वेबसाइट बना हमें हमारे माइंड में ये चीज क्लियर रखनी, मोबाइल पे कैसे लगेगी, मोबाइल पे कैसी लगेगी, मोबाइल पे कैसी लगेगी, उसको हम लोग पहले लेके चलना है। ठीक है, तो जब भी आप वेबसाइट के अंदर कोड लिखो तो जैसे जैसे आप लिखते जा रहे हो वैसे वैसे उसको रिस्पॉन्सिव करते जाना। दैट इज द रूल टू मेक आवर वेबसाइट मोबाइल फर्स्ट और टू मेक आवर वेबसाइट रिस्पॉन्सिव। और फ्लेक्सिबल इमेजेस एंड वीडियोस, ये क्या होता है जी, ये जब अपन आगे पढ़ेंगे ना, देखेंगे ना चीजें, सब समझ जाओगे। और नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस। तो ये आपकी जो पूरी वीडियो उसका पहला सेक्शन खत्म हो चुका है, मतलब पहला पार्ट नहीं कहूंगा, पहला सेक्शन खत्म हो चुका है। इसमें हमने सारी बेसिक्स समझ लिए। अगर कोई भी पार्ट में दिक्कत है पीछे जाओ जल्दी से देखो। और अब हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हमारी एक प्यारी सी वेबसाइट, वेबसाइट नहीं कहूंगा मैं, लैंडिंग पेज कहूंगा। तो उस लैंडिंग पेज को हम पहले बनाएंगे सही स्ट्रक्चर के तौर पर और फिर उसको हम मिलकर रिस्पॉन्सिव कर रहे होंगे। तो जल्दी से आ जाओ, देखेंगे किस तरीके से हम उसको बनाते हैं और किस तरीके से हम उसको रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं। लेट्स गो। तो दोस्तों जैसा मैंने बोला था हम लोग एक लैंडिंग पेज पे प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे, जो कुछ अभी हम लोगों ने सीखा है और सारी चीजें काम आने वाली।
I think I can learn this. So I'm not going to see this all course because I have to learn the basics. So that's all I have to learn. If I tell the truth, I have learned Flexbox. I have learned the VH, VW, VMIN, VREM, M, everything like that. Percentage, PX, I have learned everything. Also Flexbox. The only thing that I haven't learned was media queries. So I also learned a lot of things from it. I can say it was. I can't say that it was bad. So now let's go code with that if you want. Development. And if I see something that's important to me, I'm going to watch that.
And welcome back to
I will come back. Okay. और ये तो पड़ा है प्रॉपर्टी ये भी होता है ये भी होता है मीडिया को देता भी का सॉल्यूशन मल्टी कलर लोड एंड क्लियर बटरफ्लाई इतना क्या फ्लैक्स बॉक्स ग्रेड का क्या करना है डिजाइन Yes, I have learned basically the things that I have to do to make something like Amazon. So I'm going to now that's better files projects. And now I have to make another project because we're also going to do Netflix. Because I get bored of one project, like doing all the things. So I change. So that's what I'm going to do. Open it, go. Uh, yeah, that's right. And it's not actually my design. It's actually ChatGPT's design. It's not mine. It isn't mine. So that's right. It isn't mine. It's ChatGPT's design. But I think so. I have less readability than ChatGPT, so I'm going to make his thing like responsive, and I'm going to scrub mine this because I learned everything from this. But I just made the thing so bad, bro. See, this is ChatGPT. How clean is this? Cleanest thing ever. And mine, no, it's not. I don't think it's cleanest thing ever. But I think I can make this work, and also it's going to be a challenge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make another like my Amazon dustbin, and then I'm going to on while mm, mm, mm. Don't ask me what the fuck you're gonna ask. Yes, I think that I'm going to. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Let me see in this. In desktop, everything looks great, but nothing, 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 nothing. I think mine was better, but I'm taking a challenge of it, bro. Mm. Man, let's see how responsive it is. Bro, it's not fucking responsive shit, bro. Well, I'm not going to do. I'm not going to do. I'm going to do my dustbin thing. Oh, what? It's so bad. See how bad it looks, and how good mine looks. See, index document. See, it's not the greatest thing, but it's not the worst thing. Let me see how the hell Amazon does it. Amazon. So this is how it looks. Okay. Now, here's this. I didn't think that I needed this, so I didn't do this. And also, I didn't think how the fuck I'm going to write this name, so I don't also did it. English, yeah, I did it. Account, I think I did it. I did this. I did this, and I don't think I did this. 'Cause I'm not going to like fucking get something. I don't have that patience. It's just copy paste. Take from is right. It's a waste of time. So I'm just learning your stuff. So let's see how they make it. Let's inspect and let's see how responsive is it. So let's see. Okay. Is it even fucking responsive, bro? Let me. Now is the actual test. What the? Why it doesn't look like this, bro? What the? Hell, bro. It doesn't look like this, bro. Go ahead. Bro, this is not responsive. I should see. Necklace. Netflix. See how responsive this is. See, this is got responsive. And what the fuck is that thing? What the fuck is that thing? Fucking shit, bro. Fucking shit. So this, yeah, the one thing, if you have learned anything in this, you know that why is it happening, because I didn't have done it. Border box sizing border box. So I'm going to just do it. And this is in Navram, I think so. And now I know how to do it. It's easiest shit ever. Mm. And the first thing, I'm Jewel, I think. Nav buttons. This. Yeah, this is the thing. So now what am I? Box sizing border box. Now it should. Why is fucking. It's still happening, but I don't think it's sad. I think it looks even good. Huh? If I'm gonna solve it, I don't have the time to solve it. So now this is what's happening here. So what I'm going to do is like, let's open in browser first. Okay, looks great. In browser it looks as fabulous, fabulous. Inspect this. Shit is fucking responsible. Then why isn't this shit? Oh, what the fuck, bro? See, I think it looks good at this mock. It just looks great. But the one thing that I think I have to solve is this thing. Because it doesn't move like this. See? It moves. But it doesn't move like this. And I think I should have some like this. Like margin. I think it's 600 from 5. No, still looks good. I think I must say 5, 600. So all of it. But I have to fucking solve this shit. Okay? It was copied from ChatGPT. Fucking bad. Oh, bro, what the fuck? Okay. I thought this was over. So first thing, I have to make it responsible. Okay, let's make it responsible. Enough fucking responsible for his actions. Sound responsible. Got it? Matey. What the? What's happening? Yeah. Shut the fuck up. So I haven't read this code yet because I have written this like 2 weeks ago because I had exams, so I couldn't do it. Now I'm doing it. Let's just read the code. Div upper. It's like this div, a link to home page. Okay. A div upper in here. Here is no clause. It has no fucking clause, bro. Why the fuck it doesn't have no fucking clause? Give it a fucking ID. Oh, it doesn't need one. Yeah. I have the Amazon image, but if I want to do some margin, I have to do with this. So yeah, ID. Brand new. I'm love your body. Oh yeah, no. Magnetic. Mm. But I'm loving your body. Oh yeah, Mm. Images, I think the images and media is fucking hard to make responsive, but I had made it. Now I know how to make it. You have to just make another div, and that div has to be sized, so it will be automatically sized. Yeah, I have learned a hard lesson, but sometimes you just fucking forget. Yeah, like this. What's a clean example of this? It was like this. Amazon. Okay, HR, image, HR, hash. I don't know what goes in boom boom, but who gives a fuck? I want to keep margin. What is this? Left. I think so. Left, left, and right. I don't know. Fuck. What the fuck? Margin right and then px. Let's see it. Yeah, this is it. If I do left, what the fuck happens? Left margin 10 px. Okay, yeah. I was right. Right was right. I'll go with the right way. It's always right. Okay. One thing that I have to solve is that this looks so small. Now I will use media query at 600 so it will not get it. But first we will see. We will not touch the. Okay, we will not touch this fucking shit. Whatever. It was made by my brother because I don't understand the shit. But who gives a fuck? Let's give 600. 600. Oh. Now, first, I don't think first I'll make this, but first I'll solve this. So I have to see what the fuck happens, what the hell did this make? What the fuck is called? Uh, yeah, this shit. Flex. Yeah, this is fucking flex. Now is it fucking doing something? Let's see it. I made something fucking change. So now let's see it. Again. See. This should not happen. This should not fucking happen. Fuck this shit, bro. Fuck this shit. Why isn't it working? It is flex. I have to read some more code of ChatGPT. Yeah, lower navigation bar was given to ChatGPT to solve because it was having some problems, but now it's also. Never done say. Okay. Matey. Okay. See what this code is. I imagine what the fuck was I? Okay, I have read the code and I haven't figured how I will solve this. Okay. So I just learned how. See, if you want to be a coder, you just have to remember what it was like. I remember it was like overflow property in CS. Well, that's what all you have to do and search and then okay, our clip invisible. Okay, let's fucking okay, let's fucking go. Woo-hoo. I'm doing some discoding, I'm loading in my life that I never thought I'd to be in. I mean, what the fuck? What the fuck? Now I'm fucking angry. It is a container flex and align center. Okay, never been flex. Oh, okay. Let's see. It's a fucking disaster. It's a fucking disaster. Oh, I think I look like it, not better, but too much dead space. Too much dead space. Here, right here. Too much dead space. So we'll just do some padding up here. Padding up. I'm not going some padding. Let's fucking keep it like this. No, no. Space between. Okay, and now it's going to. What the fuck? Space even there was going better. Okay. First, see, this is too low text alignment. Is the text alignment? Text. Area. Area is text align center. So I'm going to keep it text align center. So let's go to our HTML. And where the fuck I made it? Input. Yeah. What is dropped? No, 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 no. I don't have to. Dropped. Choose your language. Dropped. Drop button. Drop button. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. One thing I need to do is make a P fuck. Yeah, now it's rules. Boom, boom. Now I'm going to give it an ID. So what is it? An ID. Invert language. Button. Para. Okay. Yeah, it's a big idea, but who gives a F? So now I'm going to just go here. And I'm going to just do a fucking slash. Slide. And then I'm going to do here. And then I'm going to go inside. And I'm going to text, align, center. And it's still not solved. What the fuck? Lex, Lex. What the fuck was Flex? Can it help me in this? Maybe it can. Let's go down. So this is actually the A. Yeah, it's actually the A. And this is its parent. Nav down button. Okay. क्या? Live. Do, 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 do. Se kiyo naka ni ha. Hai, hai, hai. It's a beat tag that is. I have a fucking hero. kasura makanara kitira tata. Ba kara dakato makare tata matana. Naeka sudeka pumara hageda narakidari sara. Tu Give me una cornea, ora kakene tasa. Flex, rap koroke na torora, rap tatana matata. O kato tamata, tie fie soin, wah. Nare sagir tata, yurike stampa. Yeah, I'm very good. I'm very good at. I'm very good. I'm very good at. I don't notice you. I like you. I never wanted to be the one who always tried to be. And the one who was cried to be was the one who always died. Now my death has shown you that I always wanted to be the one who always cried, and I'm not alone. I wish you heard it, I wish you cried, I wish you listened to it, I wish you vibe, I wish you always wanted to be mine. Now I feel that I'm singing some songs because I have made this. Because Amazon is not that responsive, so I think, is it actually good? This many things? I don't think it was scroll bar. I think it was our slow hidden. It doesn't make a shit. It doesn't make a shit out. I haven't justified the ally. Have I? Let me see. Minus rap. I'm going to. So. Narada Kirata Pa Tora Tatana. Now I'm seeing this. See, here is called that the overflow property only works for block elements with a specified height. Here, a block element, a div. That's it. Now let what the div nav down. Okay, nav down. Now we're going to HTML. And nav down is a fucking block element. Nav down, so the flex wrap here is clip, but it doesn't fucking work. Ah. Yeah, now I see what I want to do. I said 7 VH. No, it's fucking working. But I think 10 VH. Yes, now it's fucking working. Mission completed. And if I make it longer, something will come. Now I have make it responsible. There's no one in my world that has ever seen like persons like me. Yo, let's have a celebration time. Yeah, yo, yo, yeah, 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 yo, yo, yeah, yeah, yo, yo, yeah, yeah, yo. And our second problem is this. Why is it going down? First see like this. First see this. Okay, let's see first this. Returns and order. See, returns and order is the close button is returns or returns orders button. Small para. Mm, small para. Okay. Okay, let's go here. Now I go. Madhubadi. Okay. Lari Madhubadi. Ari Kadi. Adi Dano. Ahim. Okay. What the hell? Booty. Hmm. Still not working. I was still learning about my life. Okay, this is the rotor button. Baby. Let's copy this. Step. Control C. Okay, now run. Roderick. Not my Roderick. Uh, let's get into grinding mode, okay? Let's go. About life. But you heard I am at saying not that it's very easy. As I message button. Okay. Drop down TN. Okay. Drop down PTN. Let's go to drop down PTN. I think I will clean this shit up. So I don't drop down. Uh, it doesn't solve anything. I was begging you to nominate the player. Oh no. The only thing that I know now is to get more bottom. NPX. Storm PX. Storm much. TPX. Let's choose margins. Army. Fuck this shit. See, this is a minor thing. I can improve it later, so let's keep it so I can improve it later. Okay. Now let's get to a fun part. And one thing, this is like I'm not feeling this because it's like this Amazon Fresh, Amazon this, Amazon Sell, Amazon Deal. I'm going to do this, but it's like a very tedious part, so I'm going to do it later. So let's go. Amazon online. So what's next is this. This of course is a grid, and a grid is responsible, I think. Bro, how the hell is it? Oh, now here's a grid. I haven't learned grid yet, so I'm going to learn grid. And this is also a grid, I think so. This is just a flex. This is grid. This is all the other. This. One thing that I must say is that first I have to make a slide. This is nothing easy. Nothing easy. Let's see what out. Let's see to. Someone watching? No one is watching. No one ever watches. If someone is watching right now, please comment something. How to make some money. How to make.
We built our band's website with Hostinger AI website builder.
This is our electronic press kit.
Hey, I'm Hunter from SkillThrive, and in this video, I'll be creating this image slider with only HTML and CSS. I'll be using Copin to write the code, and most of the default settings should be fine. However, I do have a CSS reset enabled, which will reset all the default CSS for browsers. That way we can ensure that we're all starting from the same point no matter which browser we're using. Now, let's go ahead and start on the HTML. First, I'll create a section tag and give it a class of container. Inside this tag, we'll create a container with a class of slider wrapper, which will hold all the images and navigation for the slider. Next, create a container with a class of slider. This container will hold all the images, so between the container, we'll add the images. Notice that each image has an ID that follows a pattern of slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. This is important in order to get the navigation to work because it will be using anchor links. I won't cover how anchor links work in detail in this video, so check out the link provided in the description to learn more. The source attribute for each image is the link of the image file, which are coming from unsplash.com, a free stock photography website. Also, make sure you include an alt attribute for each image tag that explains the image in detail. This is important for making your HTML accessible to users that require a screen reader for web browsing. Outside the closing tag of the slider, but still inside the slider wrapper, add one more container with a class of slider nav. Inside this container, create an anchor tag for each image, setting the href to the ID of each image tag from the previous step. Now that the HTML is complete, you can open the CSS panel to start styling the slider. The first CSS style will target the container class and will add some padding around the slider. If you want to learn more about how spacing works on the web, including padding, margins, and borders, be sure to watch the video at the end of this one. The next styles will target the slider wrapper class. First, set the position to relative, which is important later in the video when we use absolute positioning on the navigation. Next, set a max width to 48 rem, which will force the slider to take up that much space if available, and dynamically resize for smaller screens. Last, set the margin to have a top and bottom value of 0 and a left and right value to auto. By setting the left and right value to auto, the container will center itself on the page horizontally. Right now, it's a bit hard to see the container we've created, so let's inspect the preview and select the container with the slider wrapper class. Now you can see what we've created a little better. you enjoyed the tutorial this far, be sure to give it a like to help others find.
Actually, this is the thing that I want to make. It's including this one.
How's it going, guys? So this is our first video in the channel, and today I'm actually going to be showing you how to create a simple image slider using pure HTML and CSS. So this is what we are going to do today. It is a simple image slider with 4 images and few buttons which changes the shadow while hovering. You can use this on a blog or some quick project. The source code to this project will be given in the description. And before starting the video, I genuinely request you to hit the like button and press the subscribe button. First, you have to create your project folder, and under that folder, you have to create an images folder under which you have all your images. So now you have to create an HTML file, index.html, and style.css. You can put any name you want, but I'm gonna put standard name. So first, then after creating the HTML, so you have to put the boilerplate code, and I will run it with live server. What does the live server do? It changes the changes that you make on an HTML file. It will update it live. So Microsoft Code has an extension called live server. You can download it. It is absolutely free. So let's begin our code.
Container wrap. Okay, this man has first created a div called container and the div wrapper and div wrapper holder. Okay. And now what he's going to do is div close button holder. What is body? Mm. And this is what a slider I want to make, but it's a JavaScript project.
तो आज मैं आपको जावास्क्रिप्ट से जो प्रोजेक्ट तैयार करके दिखाने वाला हूं वो देखिए ये है वेरी सिंपल स्लाइडर। देखिए इस स्लाइडर का स्ट्रक्चर हम HTML से तैयार करेंगे और इसकी जो डिजाइनिंग है वो हम CSS से तैयार करेंगे और इसके अलावा इसके अंदर जो ये फंक्शनैलिटी हो रही है देखिए वाली क्लिक करने पर जो ये स्लाइडर मूव कर रहा है देखिए ऐसे ये सब हम करने वाले हैं जावास्क्रिप्ट से। तो चलिए हम करके देखते हैं इसका प्रैक्टिकल और जावास्क्रिप्ट से इसको बनाकर देखते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। वेलकम बैक। तो गाइस देखिए मेरे डेस्कटॉप पर यहाँ पर एक फोल्डर बनाया हुआ है स्लाइडर नाम से। अब देखिए स्लाइडर नाम के फोल्डर के अंदर मैंने 4 यहाँ पर इमेज ली हुई है और एक एरो फाइल ली हुई है। ठीक है, अब हम HTML CSS और जावास्क्रिप्ट की तीनों फाइल भी हम इसी फोल्डर के अंदर बनाएंगे और इसी फोल्डर पर काम करेंगे। ठीक है, तो चलिए मैं इसको क्लोज कर रहा हूँ और क्लोज करने के बाद यहाँ से मैं विजुअल स्टूडियो खोल लेता हूँ। अब देखिए मैंने यहाँ पर विजुअल स्टूडियो खोल लिया। अब विजुअल स्टूडियो खोलने के बाद यहाँ पर चलते हैं फाइल में और फाइल में जाने के बाद यहाँ से हम ओपन फोल्डर
Okay. I have now called my brother, and he has told me that it's impossible to make it without like this, because in here it's made like this. Okay? So we are going to make this. Absolutely great. So I have to then. Look at this.
Creating a grid starts in the HTML. We need a container and some items inside of it. The container is a div with a class of can place things on it horizontally, vertically, and both simultaneously. Actually, I can position items in any way I want, even stacked. Each number represents a line. These lines are row lines, and these lines are column lines. Our grids are two-dimensional. I can place things on it horizontally. Grids are two-dimensional. I can place things on it horizontally, vertically, and both simultaneously. Actually, I can position items in any way I want, even stacked. Each number represents a line. These lines are row lines, and these lines are column lines. Our grid is made up of cells. Each square is a cell. And finally, our grid is also made up of tracks. These are the rows, and these are the columns. Our grid is also made up of cells. Each square is a cell. And finally, our grid is also made up of tracks. These are the rows, and these are the columns. Creating a grid starts in the HTML. We need a container and some items inside of it. The container is a div with the class of container, and the items are divs with the class of item 1, 2, and 3. In our CSS, we give the container the display of grid. We see nothing happened, but this is because we need to tell grid how many rows and columns we want defined. To define rows and columns, we use the grid template of grid. We see nothing happened, but this is because we need to tell grid how many rows and columns we want defined. We see nothing happened. But this is because we need to tell grid how many rows and columns we want defined. To define rows and columns, we use the grid template rows and grid template columns properties. They work by defining a track for each value that you pass it. If I give 100 pixels to the columns, now I have one column of 100 pixels. If I add a second value of 100 pixels, now I have two columns of 100 pixels, and so on. I'll copy the values from my grid template columns and paste them in the grid template rows. Now I have a grid with 6 rows and 6 columns, and all of the cells have the same size. If I want to position an item, I can select it and give it the grid row start, grid row end, grid column start, grid column end properties. Inside of each will go some line numbers. Let's say I want item 1 to look like this. Then that means item 1 starts on line 1 of both the rows and the columns. We also see that item 1 ends on the third line of the row.
Now what I'm going to do is this good? Think so. I think so. That is good. Yeah.
PWNSAT देने पे भारत के 1000 टॉप स्टूडेंट्स को मिलेगी फ्री की
इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद CSS ग्रिड आप लोगों को आ जाएगी, ये मेरा दावा नहीं गारंटी है, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैंने बहुत ही आसान तरीके से आप लोगों को CSS ग्रिड समझाई हुई है, और जो एग्जांपल्स मैं यूज करूंगा ना, उनको देखकर आप लोग CSS ग्रिड को चाहकर भी नहीं बुला पाओगे। CSS ग्रिड का इस्तेमाल होता है लेआउट्स बनाने के लिए। ये वन ऑफ द वेज होता है आपके CSS लेआउट्स बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि फ्लोट्स और पोजीशनिंग बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग होती है, और कुछ सिनेरियोस ऐसे है, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैंने बहुत ही आसान तरीके से आप लोगों को CSS ग्रिड समझाई हुई है, और जो एग्जांपल्स मैं यूज करूंगा ना, उनको देखने के बाद CSS ग्रिड आप लोगों को आ जाएगी, ये मेरा दावा नहीं गारंटी है, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैंने बहुत ही आसान तरीके द वेज होता है आपके लिए CSS लेआउट्स बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि फ्लोट्स और पोजीशनिंग बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग होती है, और सिनेरियोस ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें सीएसएस ग्रिड डायरेक्टली अप्लाई होती है। कैसे यूज कर कहूंगा इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना एंड नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में सिग्मा बैच ओपी जरूर लिख देना। चल तो जो CSS ग्रिड होती है उसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है कुछ ऐसे लेआउट्स को बनाने के लिए जो कि एक्चुअल में ग्रिड को रिजेंबल करते हैं। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन। मैं यहाँ पर एक जल्दी से VS कोड खोलूंगा और यहाँ पर एक index.html बना लूंगा और यहाँ पर मैंने एक बॉयलर प्लेट कोड ले लिया है। अब मैं यहाँ पर एक कंटेनर बनाता हूँ और इसके अंदर 5 आइटम्स बनाता हूँ और इनमें मैं नंबरिंग कर देता हूँ 1 2 3 4 5 और इसको मैं प्रीव्यू करूंगा और आप देखो ये 1 2 3 4 5 यहाँ पर दिख गए। कुछ स्टाइल्स डालूंगा यहाँ पर, कुछ कंटेनर्स में डालूंगा, कुछ आइटम्स में डालूंगा। इसको सिंगुलर कर लेता हूँ आइटम। कंटेनर में मैंने डाला है बॉर्डर 2 पिक्सल सॉलिड येलो और आइटम में मैं डालूंगा बॉर्डर 2 पिक्सल सॉलिड रेड और इसमें आइटम में मैं हाइड कर दूंगा 55 पिक्सल और विड्थ कर दूंगा 55 पिक्सल। तो कुछ इस तरह से देखने को मिलेगा। देखो येलो कलर का जो हमारा बॉक्स है वो पेरेंट कंटेनर है, उसके अंदर हमारे पास 1 2 3 4 5 ये सारे आइटम्स आ चुके हैं। थोड़ा विजिबिलिटी के लिए इसको ब्लैक कर देता हूँ। हाँ अब अच्छा लग रहा है। तो अगर मैं इस कंटेनर में लिखूँ डिस्प्ले ग्रिड तो फ्लेक्स बॉक्स की तरह, जैसे कि अगर मैं इसमें डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स करूंगा तो हॉरिजॉन्टली सारे आइटम्स ले हो जाते हैं। ग्रिड में ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता। आप देखो ग्रिड करने से एकदम वैसे के वैसे ही रहती हैं चीज़ें। लेकिन अगर मैं यहाँ पर इंस्पेक्ट करूँ तो मुझे मेरा ब्राउजर इसको एज अ ग्रिड दिखाएगा। देखो यहाँ पर ये ग्रिड दिखा रहा है और मैंने ग्रिड पे क्लिक किया तो मुझे दिखा रहा है, कह रहा है भाई देखो ये आपकी ग्रिड है और ये इसमें जो है रोज है, कॉलम्स
I was just drinking water, and then some water fell on my computer, no laptop, and I was cleaning it, so that's why I just randomly inspected it because I'm cleaning it.
इसमें नहीं है। तो सबसे पहली प्रॉपर्टी जो मैं ग्रिड की और ये इसमें जो है रोज है, कॉलम क्लिक किया तो मुझे दिखा रहा है, कह रहा है भाई देखो ये आपकी ग्रिड है और ये इसमें जो है रोज है, कॉलम्स इसमें नहीं है। तो सबसे पहली प्रॉपर्टी जो मैं ग्रिड की आप लोगों को बताना चाहता हूं वो है ग्रिड में आप डिफाइन कर सकते हो कि कितने कॉलम्स हो कितने रोज हो। और कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज ऐसी हैं जो कि आप आइटम में लगा सकते हो। तो मैं यहाँ पर लिख सकता हूँ ग्रिड टेम्पलेट कॉलम्स और मैं यहाँ पर लिख सकता हूँ कि भाई देखो मुझे एक 120 पिक्सल का कॉलम चाहिए, एक मुझे 100 पिक्सल का कॉलम चाहिए। दैट्स अबाउट इट। मुझे सिर्फ ये 2 कॉलम्स चाहिए और आप यहाँ पर देखो जो मेरी ग्रिड होगी वो 2 कॉलम्स में बढ़ जाएगी। एक कॉलम यहां पर है मेरे पास ये वाला, मैं जूम करके दिखाता हूं आपको। एक कॉलम है मेरे पास ये वाला और एक कॉलम है ये वाला। आप यहां पर देख सकते हो जैसे मैंने ग्रिड को टॉगल किया 2 कॉलम में इसने जो है डिवाइड कर दिया। देखो एक तो ये 1 है, ये दूसरी लाइन है ग्रिड की, ये तीसरी लाइन है ग्रिड की, और ये 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है, तीसरी लाइन है ग्रिड की। ठीक है, अब मैं इस ग्रिड के अंदर, अब देखो स्पेशल क्या होता है ग्रिड के बारे में, इस ग्रिड के अंदर किसी भी आइटम को कहीं पे भी प्लेस कर सकता हूं, कहीं पे भी। मैं अगर चाहूं ओवरलैप करा दूं तो 2 के ऊपर रख दूं 4 वाले को, वो भी मैं कर सकता हूं। कैसे, वही मैं बताता हूं आप लोगों को। तो सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने कहा कि भाई देखो मेरी ग्रिड में 2 कॉलम्स होंगे, एक होगा 120 पिक्सल का, एक होगा 100 पिक्सल का। तो इसने 120 पिक्सल और 100 पिक्सल के कॉलम्स जो है वो यहाँ पर बना दिए। इससे पहले कि मैं विजुअलाइज आप लोगों को करवा पाऊं सही से, मैं आपको इसको यहाँ पर दिखाता हूँ। आप लोग देखो यहाँ पर कि जो हमारी ग्रिड होती है वो कुछ इस तरह से बन गई है। यानी कि मैंने कह दिया कि भाई मेरी ग्रिड में 2 कॉलम्स हो, एक हो मेरा 100 पिक्सल्स का, एक है मेरा 120 पिक्सल्स का, और जो दूसरा कॉलम है वो है मेरा 100 पिक्सल्स का। ठीक है, कुछ इस तरह से, यानी कि एक 120 पिक्सल का हो गया और एक 100 पिक्सल का हो गया। ठीक है, और यहाँ पर मैंने 100 पिक्सल को बड़ा बना दिया, बट यू गॉट द पॉइंट यार, कि ये 120 पिक्सल का एक हो गया और एक 100 पिक्सल का हो गया। ठीक है, मान लो। ठीक है, या फिर मैं इसको अगर मान लो 190 पिक्सल कर दूं। ठीक है, तो 2 कॉलम्स मैंने बना लिए, एक 120 पिक्सल का, एक 190 पिक्सल का। और अब कोई भी आइटम में डालूंगा तो पहला आइटम यहाँ पर आएगा, ठीक है, दूसरा आइटम यहाँ पर आएगा, तीसरा आइटम यहाँ पर आएगा, चौथा आइटम यहाँ पर आएगा। ऑटोमेटिकली ये सारी चीज़ें होंगी। ये है ऑटो, यानी कि मुझे रोज़ को कन्फिगर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। लेकिन मैं कुछ ऐसा कह सकता हूँ कि भाई देखो जो मेरा ये आइटम है, यानी कि ये जो आइटम है, मैं इसमें प्रॉपर्टी कुछ इस तरह से डाल सकता हूँ कि इस आइटम को प्लेस कर दो कुछ इस प्रकार से कि ये स्टार्ट हो यहाँ पर, एंड हो यहाँ पर, इसका जो रो स्टार्ट हो।
First, let me think. I don't think I have to learn grid for this. That's different. Oh yeah, Wait a minute, I get it. Teen tours demonstrate peak stripper, underground methods, pushing culture baby product of your errors, straight terror. Come with the big dog, set it out, and make money pal. Run world. Shall we do this? Don't look like this. Look like this. Don't look like this. Copy. And I'm not shallow. It could be top ऐसी है. Baby, I like you. Why doesn't this work? Why doesn't this work? Why doesn't this work? Just work, please. I am getting pagal. My head is getting goggle. Goggle. Gaga, gaga, gaga. Shut the mouth. Don't talk to me. Oh. Einstein said, I told them the mysteries were gone. So I'll be doing some break. So